Greg McKay at Caldwell Banker Wallace. Today we're going to have a talk with a local mortgage expert. I have right here on the Zoom with me, Gary Sturm. He's a branch manager over at Mortgage Investors Group. He's got 26 years of experience. Came in at the bottom at Mortgage Investors and moved his way up to management. And we're going to have a talk with him today about a couple of topics, how the market is, interest rates, and we're going to talk a little bit about forbearance. So Gary, how's business?
Business right now, Greg, is fantastic. We have historically low rates, the lowest they've been since I've been in the mortgage business, lowest they've been in 26 years.
Wow.
So it's a great time to refinance for sure, to maybe lower your payment or shorten your term, or maybe take out some cash to do some repairs on your house. And
Sure.
as you know,
if somebody wanted to do that, wanted to get a mortgage for a house, or what would they do? What would be the first step they do?
Honestly, the first step now would be to go online at Mortgage Investors Group and click on my name and just fill out an application. It honestly just takes about 5 minutes. It's a very easy and simple process. It'll alert me, and we'll talk and hopefully get you approved the same day.
Well, you know, any more in today's market, because inventory is low, as you well know, and demand is still staying, high. Sellers don't even want to see an offer from someone who is not already pre-approved for a mortgage. So they won't even look at it. So.
Yeah, for sure. I think this now more than ever, you have to get pre-approved before you go write an offer, before you even get in a car to look for a house. So that's part of the process too. You go online, you complete an application, and again, if things go well, you get pre-approved within an hour or two, hopefully.
Yeah, great. Now, I'll say this about Gary. People always ask me, who should I call for a mortgage? And I don't give them just one name. I always give them 2 or 3, but Gary's always on that list. The 2 times that I've gotten a mortgage since I've met him, I've used him. So I feel comfortable recommending Gary. Gary, what kind of effect has the virus had on business?
Well, one thing that's going on now is a forbearance. And so all lenders are allowing customers to have a 3-month forbearance, which just means that if you've been affected by COVID-19, then you can skip your house payment for 3 months. They put that on the back of your mortgage, so you still owe the payments. However,
Right.
You don't have to make house payments for 3 months.
Oh, that's got to be a big help if you're out of work or,
It's a huge help, and every lender knows, again, it's from my understanding, it's a pretty simple process. These lenders are all prepared for this. And also, the nice thing is it does not affect your credit. So it is not a negative. It doesn't affect your credit score. It's not showing you past due or behind. It's just a way for you to get through this forbearance time, to get through this tough time, economically. One nice thing too is they've just changed the rules. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac say now that if you're in forbearance and you get out of forbearance, you can still refinance your house. So again, if you're back at work and your job is secure again, hopefully we can help you, even if you're in forbearance, to be able to lower your payments.
Wow. So just to make sure that I heard it correctly, if you lose your job or your financial situation's gone bad, your business, you can skip, after you talk to your mortgage company about it, you can skip 3 months of payments, and it does not affect your credit report or your credit standing.
It does not affect your credit report, which is really nice. I've seen 2 this week, and both credit reports, their scores have not been affected. It does not show a late on their mortgage. It just shows that their mortgage is in forbearance.
That's excellent. Well, I'm glad to see that the industry or somebody is trying to do something to help people, in these situations. So, okay, well, Gary, thank you. I know you're a busy man. I'll let you get back to work. We really appreciate your time. And this is Greg McKay, and I'll see you around.